Hello everyone, welcome back to Diksha Karnataka YouTube channel. So your maths exam is over. Let me know in the comment below how was your maths exam. And the bad news is that next exam is physics, but there is also a good news that you are getting 3 days gap between your maths exam and your physics exam. So starting from tomorrow, what all you need to do, I will be sharing a complete detailed guide for you, that what all you are expecting from us, what all we are going to provide, and what are all you have to do for the next 3 days, so that you can score the magical 70 out of 70, right? So we are going to give you a detailed plan for that. Day wise study plan, exactly what you have to do on 4th, what you have to do on 5th, and what you have to do on 6th. So let's see. First of all, let us look into the all important chapters of your physics syllabus. So chapter 1 is electric charges and fields, chapter 2 electrostatic potential and capacitance, chapter 3 current electricity, chapter 4 moving charges and magnetism. These are the 4 must do topics. If you have not yet done any one of these chapters, okay, then I cannot help you. You can skip that chapter for now, but these 4 chapters are must to revise. If you have only completed these chapters, you have to revise. Other than that, alternating current, AC, ray optics and semiconductor, these are the most important chapters. You cannot skip this chapter. You have to revise everything from this chapter at least twice. Okay, so now I am going to share you the day wise detailed study plan. So as you can see, it is for study plan for 4th March, and our agenda will be completing all important chapters and MCQs. Okay, MCQ we will study, as you know that MCQ is very hard, so that is why we have to revise MCQs. So how can we start? So right now take some relaxation. Today your maths paper is over. Sir already did the paper analysis, so just relax a bit, then sleep early. Start tomorrow as early as possible. I have given a judicious time. So in the morning after having breakfast, okay, you have to start at 7. Possibly after a morning tea, not breakfast, morning tea, have some tea or coffee or Horlicks, whatever you drink that, and then start at 7 to 8, 1 hour, you practice some MCQs. And from where you can practice MCQs? You can practice it from Physics MCQ Marathon. The PDF is available. You can check the videos as well. Okay, PDF is available in our WhatsApp channel. If you have not yet subscribed to our WhatsApp channel, definitely subscribe to our WhatsApp channel. And obviously, as you know, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. So practice 30 to 40 MCQs in the morning. When you are starting, your mind is fresh, so whatever MCQ you will practice, that you will remember for longer time. So practice that. Now next, after 1 hour breakfast time, I have given you 1 hour breakfast time. Eat something. Okay, it's very important. Eat something, whatever you are doing, just take a break. Then from 9 to 12, 3 continuous hours, what you have to do? You have to study very important 2 chapters, electric charges and fields and potential and capacitance. So these 2 chapters you should be completing 3 hours. Now what all you will do in these 3 hours? All the important formulas, all the important concepts. Don't remember the if you are following any textbook, NCERT textbook, it will be good if you are studying from NCERT book, or you can follow your notes or our notes from Ramastra series, whatever notes you have. So try to remember all the important formulas, important concepts, what are all the different concepts related to this chapter. So this is very helpful for you. So electric charges, potential and capacitance, these 2 chapters will be for the first 3 hours. Next, you will take some lunch break, 12 to 1, you take some lunch break. Take a half an hour nap if you want. Okay, take your bath and then take half an hour nap. Then with a fresh mind again, you start at 1 o'clock. From 1 to 4:30, you have to study again continuously current, electricity and moving charges. Another 2 very important chapters. Okay, so these 2 chapters you have to complete. If you are feeling sleepy, after 4:30 till 5:30, you can take 1 hour nap. Okay, from 4:30 to 5:30, you can take 1 hour nap. You can have some evening snacks, and then you can start afresh with again from another 3 hours. Alternating current numericals will come, so you have to practice some formulas. What are all the tricks that you have to remember? I have given you a lot of tricks. Then also you have to study ray optics, a big chapter. Semiconductor, again small chapter. So 3 chapters is possible to complete in the next 3 hours. Till 9 p.m. you have to complete all the important chapters. Once all the important chapters are completed, from 9:30 to you take half an hour break, dinner time, some TV time. If you want to watch some TV, don't watch too much things, just watch some small cartoons or whatever you want. 30 minutes break is necessary. After that, 9:30 to 10:30 you practice some MCQs again before going to bed. Okay, if you start solving MCQs, your sleep will be better. And what all you are getting from us, you will be getting a complete revision, complete entire syllabus revision. So if you are not getting time to study everything the way I have suggested, what you can do, you can watch this complete revision. And if you have not yet started studying anything, I have not studied physics in my life, then definitely you have to run this complete revision video at least 4 to 5 times on loop, and you have to remember all the concept with your notebooks open beside you. Read from the revision. Okay, PDFs will be also shared at the same day. Then physics model question paper 3 will also be shared. If you are interested, you can check that model question paper 3 as well. Now what all else you will get on the 5th March? I think that there is a date mismatch, so this will be 5th March. This will be 5th March. So what you will get in 5th March? In 5th March we will be what you have to focus should be on derivations, numericals and MCQs. So this is a dedicated day for all the numericals and derivations you have to practice. So in the morning you wake up and again you have to solve the MCQs as usual. MCQ schedule will be same. Okay, morning you have to practice MCQs, your mind is fresh. Then again take 1 hour break. If you don't want to take 1 hour break, you can study earlier as well, but I have given you some morning time, okay, breakfast time, so that is why 1 hour break is given. Now from 9 to 12 you cannot take any breaks. Here you have to practice all the important derivations. Practice means you have to write them out. Okay, yesterday you have studied, okay, derivations, concepts, whatever you have studied, you don't need to write too much, just take small shorter notes, that is fine. But here practice means you have to write, you have to remember, okay, this is the derivation, I have to write it from the beginning till end without taking any shortcuts. You have to practice all the derivations. Okay, so at least per hour you can do minimum 2 derivations, so 3 hours means 6 derivations you can complete in these 3 hours. Okay, then again take 1 hour break, have some lunch. If you want to take some nap, again all the important derivations you have to practice. Okay, this is also very important during this time. Another 6 derivations minimum you have to write. Okay, so after all the derivations are completely written, you are confident, okay, I can write the derivations. Then take 1 hour break, have some snacks, teas, or take a nap if you wish. Then you have to practice 20 numericals minimum in the next 3 hours. Very important. Okay, next not 3 hours, it is more than 3 hours. So you have to practice the numericals in this time. 20 minimum numericals you have to practice. Okay, you can use your NCERT book, you can use a question bank, and if you are not able to solve any numericals, don't worry, mark that numericals, and we will be sharing a document with you. That document you can post the numerical, sir, I am not able to solve this question. Just copy and paste that in the document. I will be there in the next day, that is 6th March. I will be there to solve all your numerical doubts as well. So whatever numerical doubts you are having at this point of time, don't forget to paste that in our document that I will be sharing with you on 4th of March. 4th of March I will be sharing also very important thing, important announcement. 4th of March I will be sharing a fresh document, Google link document, where you can put all of your doubts. You can add all the doubts in that document. Theoretical doubts will be covered on 5th of March, I will be coming on live. All the theoretical doubts, all the conceptual doubts, whatever doubts you might have. Sir, I don't understand this concept. Can you please explain? I am not sure what to write for this question. Can you please explain? So all the doubts will be covered live. The time will be announced. I think it will be somewhere before evening and before afternoon, sometime after in the afternoon session. So around this 4:30 to 5. So I will be coming live with all your doubts. It will not be a super long session, but I will try to cover as much doubt as possible. So this will be the doubt, and I will not be super excited to take the doubts live. I will be focused on whatever doubts you have asked through the document, and you have to be live present at that time, and you have to mention that, sir, I asked that doubt, please can you answer that. All the doubts you will ask be cleared on that day. Next, after you practice the numericals, if you get some time, 20 numericals is compulsory. There is no option. This one is optional. After dinner, if you still have not finished 20 numericals, you can continue with more numericals. Okay, and if you have completed the numerical portions, then you can practice some MCQs again on that day. Okay, now coming to the 6th March final day before your final exam, that is 7th March is your final exam. So what you are going to do, again, the morning schedule is same. Wake up, brush your teeth and practice MCQs. Okay, 9 to 12 you have to practice 2-3 markers. You can revise all the 2-3 markers from my video. I have already done a 2-3 marker long videos. Practice means you have to write them. Okay, at least few of them you have to write, not everything, but you have to at least try and write them. Short points is okay. Now again, another 3 hours there will be numericals, and I will be live with all the numerical doubts that you might have. I will revise all the numericals, some important numericals, as well as your doubts. So everything will be done on live. So be there with all your doubts. Next, 5:30 to 9 p.m. practice again 2-3 markers. Even though they are easy, students often ignore it. They are not able to write. So for example, what are the types of questions coming? So properties of magnetic field, properties of electric field lines, properties of nuclear forces, properties of equipotential surfaces. These are all the common questions that is very expected. So you have to practice them, right? You have to remember them. Don't overlap with individual concepts. So that is why it is very important you allocate these 2 hours. Don't take too much heavy stress on that day, because next day is exam. So if you want, you can practice a little bit of more numericals, but I will suggest that don't go to sleep without practicing MCQs. So slightly more MCQs will give you a confidence that, okay, I have practiced at least in last 3 days I have completed over 100 MCQs, over 180 MCQs. So I'll be very good. I'll be doing well in my upcoming board exam, right? So also I will be there with live doubts, or whatever doubts you will have, that I'll be clearing you. So with that confidence, you can go to the exam hall with your collars high, that whatever question paper comes, I will score 60, minimum 60. My target is 70. I will not satisfy anything below 60. Okay, so that should be your target. And if you have not yet studied anything, if you have not studied anything, definitely tomorrow you have to watch my complete revision video, where I'll be discussing all the important topics, all the important questions, and day after tomorrow PUC session. Okay, that two are compulsory to have. And if you are still wondering about Abhyas KCET, and if you have not joined yet, this is the perfect time to join Abhyas KCET. You are getting the questions from 17th of March. Right now 4 free tests are available, but I don't think you will have the time to check those out. But if you want, you would definitely want to purchase this current price $14.99. That includes PU board exam. So $14.98. If you are not interested in PU board, you are already giving the PU board exam, right? So $14.98 is the price. For that you will get 31 paid tests, including all the subjects, including you can check where you are standing in your peers, what are all the standings, right? So that's why it is very important. You have to purchase it. You can decide it once your exam is over, but this is very important for your future as well. And with this note, I would like to close this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video with your friend. I'll be back with a complete revision video tomorrow. Till then, bye.